In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify development store. A development store is your safe sandbox for building, testing, and experimenting without risking a live storefront. It's perfect for trying out themes, apps, and customizations before anything goes public. First, log into your Shopify Partner dashboard. This is where developers and freelancers manage their stores and projects. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and open the Stores area. Depending on your layout, this might be labeled Stores or My Stores. Inside, locate the section for development stores. This view keeps all your sandbox stores organized in one place. Next, click the option to create a new development store. You'll see a setup form where you'll enter the essentials. Add a clear store name that helps you recognize the project later. Choose the store's purpose so Shopify can tailor the experience to what you're building, whether that's theme work, app testing, or client development. You can also choose to include test data. Enabling test data is helpful because it preloads sample products, collections, and customers, saving you time and making it easier to see how your theme and features behave with realistic content. Now configure the key settings for your market. Select your region and default currency to match the audience you're building for. This ensures prices, formats, and locale-specific settings line up from the start. Keep payments in test mode. Test mode is crucial for safe checkout testing. You can place orders, validate shipping and taxes, and run through the entire flow without charging real cards or affecting financial reports. When everything looks good, click Create. Shopify will take a moment to set everything up. Once the store is ready, you'll land in the admin. From here, you can start building with confidence. Install and preview themes to check design, layout, and speed. Add apps you plan to use so you can validate compatibility and settings early. Use the test data or your own sample content to explore navigation, product pages, carts, and checkout. Because payments are in test mode, you can run trial orders end to end and confirm that discounts, shipping rates, and taxes behave exactly as intended. That's all it takes. You now have a dedicated sandbox to build and iterate without touching a live store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.